Hey everybody, today I'm standing in the shower not because I'm dirty, but because I'm going to give you some quick tips on making a mold and mildew remover that's safe and natural for your entire family and yet does a spectacular job. And I'm going to show you how to make a daily shower spray that will keep your shower looking great. Now, the first thing we're going to do is do our mold spray. We're going to take 2 cups of water. To that, I want to add 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil is an antimicrobial, antibacterial, and boy, does it work. We're going to take this and put it in a spray bottle, and you can keep it handy all the time. Whenever you see a little of that black mold or a little of that pink mold, you want to get it out, shake it really well, and spray it on. Now, if it's bad, you might want to grab a brush. This one is a great one because it has a curved handle. Or I like even a nail brush like this because it's firm enough to do the job, but it doesn't scratch and it's easy to hang on to. So you're going to just brush it on and then leave it and walk away. That is what will kill the mold and mildew. When you come back in about a few hours later, or even the next day, whatever suits your schedule, you're going to spray a little more of the spray on, add a little baking soda into that, and wipe it down with a damp cloth. And if you do that every time you see mold and mildew, you'll never ever have a problem. Now let's talk about a daily shower spray. It's a great way to keep the shower clean frequently. So the easiest thing to do is mix it up in a labeled spray bottle. And you remember, I always tell you, label your spray bottles. We're going to take 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. We're going to take 1/2 cup of alcohol, and we're going to take 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap, doesn't matter what kind you use, and 1 tablespoon of a jet dry product that you use in your dishwasher. You'll mix that together in your spray bottle. You'll shake it really well, and then you'll squeegee down the shower. Now, you can use a squeegee if you don't have one. You can also use just a soft microfiber cloth just to gently wipe it down. Then just give it a good spray on the mist and walk away. When you come back, the shower will be in great shape. You won't have smears and soap scum all over it, and you'll be ready to go. So get some of these to try. I think you'll love them all. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.